I'm Gail Sanders from Rebuilding Together, Howard County, and I'm here with Patricia, Sylvia, and I'm so excited to be able to talk to her today. And what did Rebuilding Together help you with when they
Get rid of junk?
Yeah.
Well, you also said something about the floor.
But the first thing came out was that green rug with all lumpy things. I really, really enjoyed everything and watching everybody do something. And it was just, it really made me feel, oh my gracious, how did I ever get this? You all did a lot for me. You really did. And I appreciate everything that you all did.